Hello everyone and welcome to our phonics lesson. Let's get started. Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to do is go through our vowel sounds, alright? We're going to review some and then I'm going to show you a new vowel that we have. Alright, so we learned A and E. Alright, so remember when you see this line over it, that means we say the letter's name. Watch me. A. Alright, same thing for this one. This is the letter E. When it has a line over it, we say its name. Watch me. E. And you guessed it, this is the letter I. When it has a line over it, we say its name. Watch me. I. Alright, let's try that together. First one, get ready. A. Next one, get ready. E. Last one, get ready. I. Nice job. See if you can do it on your own. First one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Last one, get ready. Nice job. Alright, so now I took away the lines. These are going to be the short sounds, alright? So we learned the same thing for E, alright? Let's say the short sound this time. Watch me first. This is the letter E. E says eh. Next one. This is the letter A. A says ah. Last one. This is the letter I. I says I. Alright, let's go through those together. First one, get ready. Eh. Next one, get ready. Ah. Last one, get ready. I. Go ahead and try it on your own. Remember the short sound, alright? First one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Last one, get ready. Nice job. Alright, going through some other sounds. Let's do these real fast together because I think you guys got the hang of this already. Alright, first one. Next one. Last one. N. Go ahead and try it on your own. First one. Next one. Last one. Nice job. Alright, now we're putting all of those sounds together to form words, alright? So starting at the first dot here, see if you can try to stretch this word out on your own. Get ready. Alright, you should have gotten rat. Alright, let's try that together. Get ready. Rat. Again, get ready. Rat. One more time, get ready. Rat. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job stretching out the word rat. Alright, next word. See if you can do this one on your own as well. Get ready. Alright, you should have gotten fat. Let's do that together. Get ready. Fat. Again, get ready. Fat. One more time, get ready. Fat. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Alright, some more words that we have here. Noticing that we have a digraph here. When we have T and H come together, they make a new sound. Alright, try to stretch it out. Get ready. Alright, you should have gotten that. Alright, let's try it together. Get ready. That. Again, get ready. That. One more time, get ready. That. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Moving over to this word, see if you can try and stretch it out. Get ready. All right, you should have gotten sock. Let's try it together. Get ready. Sock. Again, get ready. Sock. One more time. Get ready. Sock. And by yourself, get ready. Great work. Moving on. Try this one. All right, you should have gotten see. Let's do it together. Get ready. See. Again, get ready. See. One more time. Get ready. See. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Over to this word. Try it on your own. Get ready. You should have gotten not. Let's try it together. Get ready. Not. Again, get ready. Not. One more time. Get ready. Not. By yourself, get ready. Good job. All right, I think these are the last two for blending. All right, remember there's a diagraph, and we have a symbol over that E. Remember what makes us say its name. Get ready. All right, let's see if we can get this one. It's a little tricky. All right, reading it like it is with the symbol, this is how we should have stretched it out. The. Or you might recognize it as our sight word, the. A little bit tricky. All right, but let's stretch it out phonetically. All right, get ready. The. Again, get ready. The. One more time. The. By yourself. The. All right, that's the, or otherwise known as the. All right, moving on to this one. Try it. You should have gotten on. Let's try it together. Get ready. On. Again, get ready. On. One more time. On. By yourself. Get ready. Good job. All right, on to rhyming. All right, for this one, we're rhyming with ack. All right, that's a silly word on its own. We're adding a beginning sound to ack to make a new word. All right. See if you can rhyme this beginning sound with ack. Go ahead and try. All right, you should have gotten ack, tack. All right, let's try it together. Watching my cursor, get ready. Ack, tack. Again, get ready. Ack, tack. One more time, get ready. Ack, tack. By yourself. Nice job. Remember, that's when we put beginning sound with ending sound. Ack, tack. All right, I put some few more rhyming words on here. So if you think tack, what's some other words that rhyme with ack, tack? They all have the same red ending sound. Ack, ack. We're just changing the beginning sound. All right, so the beginning sound for this one is p. See if you can rhyme it with ack. Get ready. All right, you should have gotten p, ack, pack. Let's try that together. Get ready. P, ack, pack. Again, get ready. P, ack, pack. One more time. Get ready. P, ack, pack. By yourself. Get ready. All right, so far we have tack, pack, and we have another one. This is the beginning sound B. Rhyme it with ack. Go ahead and try it. You should have gotten B. Ack, back. Let's try it together. Get ready. B. Ack, back. Again, get ready. B. Ack, back. One more time. Get ready. B. Ack, back. By yourself. Get ready. All right, so let's go through and read our rhyming words for the ack family. Tack, pack, back. Feel free to add on to this ack family list. All right, last part, we are reading a sentence. All right, remember, this is the little bit crazy word that we stretched out. They wanted us to stretch it out as E, but for purposes, we're just going to say it's the, because we've already learned the sight word, the. So we have the. Let's stretch out this one, though. Go ahead and try it. You should have gotten at, fat. We already stretched it out earlier. Try it with me. At, fat. Again, get ready. At, fat. One more time, get ready. At, fat. Nice job. So far we have the, fat, and we've already stretched this one out as well, but let's just try it, just for practice. Go ahead. All right, you should have gone at, rat. Let's do that together. Get ready. At, rat. Again, get ready. At, rat. One more time. Get ready. At, rat. So now we have a full sentence. The fat rat. Period. Notice how I started with a capital letter. I have spaces between my words, and it ends with a period. Let's read it together again. Get ready. The fat rat. Let's read it again. Get ready. The fat rat. One more time. Get ready. The fat rat. And go ahead and by yourself. Nice job. All right. So, a way that you could extend this is perhaps writing this sentence, not copying the sentence, on a separate sheet of paper. So you can copy the fat rat using all three important parts of a sentence on a separate sheet of paper. And that would be great spelling and writing practice for you. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.